Hello, welcome to the help tutorial of 3D Glossy logo reveal. In this update, I have included all of the asset file. If you click the asset file, you can see the HDRI, diffuse, normal, and specular map. I attached them separately, so that you can get better user experience. Previously you need Element 3D, Pro Shader Pack 2, Backlight Environment Pack. But now you need only Element 3D plugin to use this template. This is one of my easy template that I made so far. To change your logo, I prefer Adobe Illustrator to get perfect edge of your logo. Select the logo and copy your logo mask. Now go to After Effects, select Adjust your logo mask. Press M to show all mask. Delete all and simply paste the new logo mask. As you can see, I am trying to put the logo under the square box. This is actually a safe box area to adjust your logo. But if your logo is looking like Envato logo, then put your logo in this rectangular area. Let me show you. Hopefully you get it. Now copy all of the mask again. Go to Render, select Paste your mask here and paste it. Now you can change some parameter. Select Control Layer and you will change texture color, text color and text position. You can also scale the texture. To do that, select E3D. Decrease the UV repeat value. That's all. If you face any problem with this project, simply drop a mail. Thank you. Have a nice day.